Okay, it's the end of the day. It's still light out. It's around 5 p.m. and the wind has picked up a bit. Let me turn the camera around if I can. Okay. Definitely has picked up a little bit. Got some branches down, no big deal. I don't know if you can see how low the lake is. I usually don't see that bottom step from my neighbor, or if I turn around. Don't look at how dirty my boat is. You can see the water line there, and that's down the canal that leads out to Lake Tarpon. So not so bad. I think it's gonna be a little bit crazier later, maybe 60s, 70s. As far as wind, I'm gonna go out in front, take a look at the street. Edie said we lost a single shingle, but she hasn't really walked the property. Otherwise, everything is okay at the moment. And thankfully, we haven't lost power yet. So the tops of my tree are gone. And Edie said there's a shingle missing, but I don't know. Otherwise, on my block, there's no trees down that I can see. So far so good. And there's no street flooding or anything like that. So again, it's gonna get worse, but we'll see what tomorrow brings, or tonight, better yet. So that's it for now. Okay, this is the morning after the first night, and it rained pretty much the whole night, and I would say winds around 50, 60. You can see they're still blowing here. And just take a quick walk down here. I'll show you footage of what went on down south. Certainly feel horrible. I can see the water line is up probably about 3 inches. Lots of that coming down here. I'll clean that up later. Oh dear, the towel has fallen. Yeah, so it wasn't too bad overnight, and we've had power as far as I know the whole night. And you know what I was really concerned about was my gates flying out, I should say. But they've held. We'll take a look in front, look at the streets in a moment. Okay, front of the house. Pretty nice. If you're one of my neighbors watching, you can come home. I mean, the streets aren't flooded. We absolutely dodged a bullet, especially if you've just watched some of the footage and some of the pictures that I shared. I'll have to go and look at the roof. Edie says we're missing a few tiles, but I think we're okay. We just have to wait for the winds to die down. Well, there's the head. Has completely exploded off of our guy. It's never a good time to lose one's head. He wasn't very headstrong, Austin Powers 1.